Hey everyone, welcome to digit.in, and today we're going to be unboxing the iPhone XR. Now this is supposed to be Apple's budget-friendly iPhone, given the XS and the XS Max are both above a lakh of rupees, and the iPhone XR starts at rupees 76,990 and goes all the way up to 91,900, which is the price of this particular unit because it's a 256 GB storage unit. So let's just go ahead and quickly unbox. So inside, of course, as with every iPhone, you get a little box with a leaflet inside that welcomes you to the iOS family, rather the Apple family. There's a bunch of stickers, etc. Then there's, of course, the phone itself, which the unit we've got is the black unit. Now the iPhone XR is actually known as an upgrade to, let's say, the iPhone 5C, but in a more premium finish. Unfortunately, we could only get the black unit for you guys for review, but there are a bunch of other colors available as well, including yellow, blue, coral, the product red, of course, there's white, and then there's the black. So that's that. We'll set up the phone in a bit and then walk you through everything it has to offer. You also, in the box, you get the standard charger. This is a 10 watt charger, 5 volt 2 amperes. You have the earpods with the lightning connector. Unfortunately, once again, there is no lightning to 3.5 mm connector in here, which is really sad, you know, given the fact that these phones are now so expensive. For Apple to not include this little accessory is really sad. And of course, you get the USB-A to lightning cable. So inside the box of a phone that costs rupees 91,900 or 76,900 if you buy the 64 GB variant, this is what you get in the box. Now coming back to the iPhone XR, now the reason I wouldn't call it a rehashed 5C is because the 5C was actually made of plastic, but the iPhone XR is made of the same premium glass back and front that you see on the XS and the XS Max, and it's got a really nice matte metal frame. Now we've seen the other color variants, and the frame actually matches the color finish on the back, and it's not the glass that's colored, it's actually a layer underneath the glass which has a 7 layer color process to it. So it's actually very impressive. Now with the iPhone XR, what you get is, again, a full edge-to-edge display. You get the notch, which has the same Face ID hardware that you would find in the more expensive XS and the XS Max. You get a 12 megapixel single camera unit at the back. There's, of course, portrait mode as well in here. We'll talk about that in our proper review. Then on the front, you get a display which this is not an OLED, this is an LCD, and Apple calls this the Super Retina LCD. And they say this is the most advanced LCD that they've ever created, and potentially the most advanced LCD display in the market right now. We're going to be putting all of Apple's claims to the test. Of course, the phone is going to take a while to set up, but in case you're wondering what you will get inside the box of the iPhone XR, if you do pay the premium, you know what's in there. So thank you guys for watching, and in case you like this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button, or maybe just share it with your friend who may be looking to buy the new iPhone XR. Thank you guys for watching.